In this presentation, I am going to discuss how you can utilize our new software, GAV software. So this will come with a simple installer, and once you log into the system, so it will open up the software. So whichever the segment you are going to trade, so whether it is equity, stock future, index future, or currency future, so these are the segments we have enabled now. So based on the segment what you are going to trade, so you have to select that segment. So I am selecting equity, and once I will be selecting that segment, all the symbol list associated with the equity will be get loaded by default. So here, once I will be, all the symbols are loaded here, so I will be typing the symbol code, anything I require. Suppose I am just typing ICICI, so once I will type IC, all the stocks which is in the starting with I and C, it will be defaulted, it will by default it will be visible. So now I have to select the ICICI Bank. I have to hit a button, load data. Once data is loaded, it will intimate you data loaded successfully, and you have to hit the analyze button. Once you hit the analyze button, so it will tell you which cycle the price is currently. So it has taken a reference price of 316 rupees and 95 paisa, and it is saying that the uptrend, it is present in the uptrend cycle 3, and buy entry and target 1 in this level it is now present. So 316 rupees 81 paisa. So in this range it is present now, and between the first target and the buy entry, so it is recommending you to purchase it. So buy this stock at 316 rupees and 81 paisa. So you are in the third cycle. So what will be your stop loss for that? So definitely you will be focusing to the third cycle here. So this third cycle, it is saying that 313 rupees and 18 paisa will be your stop loss for this third cycle. So once you are entering your final target, you will be keeping at 318 rupees and 70 paisa, and your stop loss will be 313 rupees and 18 paisa. So you can round it to 313.2 also. So this is on ICICI Bank. Let me choose one index future. So I have chosen the Bank Nifty. So 26th March expiry. I will be just going for a load data, and then I will be analyzing this price. So it is telling that current price is not in any of the trend now. So it is advising you that you must wait for one clear trend to emerge, then only you can make some buy or sell decision. So not in any of the cycle it is now. So I'll be taking the Nifty future. If I'll just take for the Nifty future and put a analyze button here. So it is telling currently the reference price, it is being taken from 8553, present in the downward trend second cycle, and sell entry and target 1 from 55 to 46. This is the price range between which the current price is now 46 to 54. It is recommended to you to sell this. Once you are selling this one at 54.58, so you can, this trend will change once it goes to 86.86. So 86.86, and once this trend is giving you success, so initial target will be 40, then 37, then it will enter to the third cycle. So once it is entering to the third cycle, it will have a target of 8516. So you will be aiming for the 8516, and each time you will be trailing that stop loss, but you have to be very careful once it comes to 8533 level. Once it is coming to 8533 level, that time you have to be very, very careful. Means If it breaks below that, then it has all probability to touch 8516. However, if it is not breaking below these things, then it has all probability to bounce back. So 54 to 46, this is the range. Now you are at 8533 reference point. So once this trend is going for a complete reversal, then you have to wait for 8587 level. So here the trend will go for a complete reversal. You have to reverse the trend here. This will be your final stop loss, and you can continue with the higher targets. However, you have to keep one thing in very carefully in mind, because here 55 to 86, this is a 30 points of gap is there. So you can, if you wish also, you can able to hedge this particular trade with some options, strike near to 8,600. That also you can do. If you are selling it with one call option, you can hedge it at 8,600 level. So let me go with one more stock future. So stock future, I have loaded the stock future. Let me go for the April series, and I am going for April series SBI. I'll be just loading the data here, and I'll be analyzing the prices. It is telling me the current price reference, which is being taken from the 271.6, from where the calculation has started. Inside it presents none of the cycle. So if you just compare, this is 71.6, so it is downward target 3, it has penetrated. However, it has not entered to the third cycle, which is 271.4. So it has achieved all the targets in the second cycle of our downtrend, but it has not entered to the third cycle. It is saying that currently the price is not entered to any of the cycle. Recommended you can wait until it enters the cycle. So after a gap, you can again recalculate, reload the data, recalculate, and see whether it is going to enter in any cycle, and if it present in any of the cycle, then only you can able to make the trade decision. So same way, I'll be just loading one more symbol for ICICI Bank April series. I'm just calculating it. Currently it is at 319.95. So this is the reference price it is being taken. So this is the reference price it is being taken, and from there it is telling that we are now in the third cycle of my uptrend. If and recommended buy, so I am in the buy entry and the target 1. In between this price only I am now. So it is recommending me to purchase this ICICI Bank future April with a stop loss of 315.86. So this is the stop loss. I have to keep it, and in this stop loss, so and my targets will be 321.20. So this is how I can trade in the ICICI Bank future. Similar way, I can trade in the currency future also, and if I have all the currency symbol will be get loaded, and I have to load the symbol, then analyze. So it will be telling me that what price, what cycle I am now. So current price reference is being taken 62.385 present in the upward cycle 1, and it is in the buy entry target 1. In between this it is there, so I can purchase this thing with a stop loss of 62.36. so I am at 38 now, 38.5, slightly above the buy entry price. I can still purchase it for 62.48 will be the target, and I can keep a stop loss of 62.366. So this is how I can trade in the currencies also.